Hi, my name's Jonathan Yoder, and today I'm here to talk about my journey with Google. For the last 13 or 14 years, I've been teaching middle school and high school Spanish and Latin. And recently, I've been asked to step into a special assignment position as a tech integration coach. And a lot of that stemmed from my use of tools within the Google suite, whether it be Google Hangouts to bring in experts, whether it be Google Docs slides and sheets to help my students collaborate, to help my colleagues collaborate on live documents. The ability to help our students and prepare them for the kind of workspace that they're going to need, because today's world is about collaboration. It's about working together and giving constructive criticism. And we as teachers need to be able to do that professionally, and we need to emulate that for our students. It was John Dewey that tells us that if we teach today's kids like we taught yesterday's, we rob them of tomorrow. And so Google tools and the ability to do single sign-on within Google Apps has been a huge game changer for the world of education. So now today I'm actually going to take you through one of my favorite Research Assistant, or the Google Explorer tool. And so what's nice about the Google Explorer tool is that it allows you to stay within the space that you're working while still getting and gaining other data that you might need to complete the project. So let's take a look within Google Docs, Google Slides, and Google Sheets. So when you're within a Google Doc, what's really nice is on the bottom right, you're going to notice this icon, which will say Explore. And when you kick that out, it's going to immediately read some themes and topics and even some possible images. But what's really great is you might be saying to yourself in the midst of your project, I need to incorporate more science. And so by typing in keywords like science, you're immediately getting the top web results from Google. You're getting any images with the proper licensing so that you know if it's modified for your use or whether it is copyright protected. And my favorite feature is the ability for you to look within your own drive, because maybe there is research that you've already been doing that you want to draw back upon, because ultimately that's what we're asking our students to do, to draw on prior knowledge to help them build a base to explore and push farther. And that's what Google Explorer tool allows us to do. Now, those same three features work within Slides and Sheets, but what's neat within each of those is that they have distinct features. So when you're working within a Google Slides presentation, you can still search for web images, you can still search your drive, but what's really nice is as you're starting to build your slides, it's going to give you layout options. So if you're looking for some inspiration, some ways to incorporate a different theme, it's going to suggest some of those, as well as give you the opportunity to search the web, images, and your drive. And then finally, when you're within Google Sheets, it'll actually help you to start intuitively analyzing data. It'll ask you some simple questions. It'll even help you rate certain options for you to look at and say, you know what? I'd really like this graph. I'd like to incorporate that. And it helps you really start to bring that data and give it context and give it meaning so that you could then take it to the next level. So Google Explorer 2, like I said, it just makes for a really nice one-stop shop, and it's a great tool to help you stay focused when you're working. Thank you.